Uncover the trails. The meaning of bushwalk. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a phrase that might tickle the fancy of outdoor enthusiasts and language learners alike. Bushwalk. Whether you're packing your hiking boots or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and find out what this term means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A bushwalk refers to walking through natural, often untamed areas covered with native vegetation, which are colloquially known as the bush. It's a term that is particularly common in countries like Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa, where such landscapes are abundant. When we talk about a bushwalk, we're picturing a leisurely stroll or an adventurous hike through natural woodlands, scrublands, or grasslands. It's not just about the physical activity. It's about immersing oneself in nature, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Engaging in a bushwalk is often seen as a way to connect with the natural environment. In countries where the term is commonly used, it's part of the national identity, highlighting the love for and importance of preserving natural landscapes. Moreover, bushwalk can also imply an educational journey where one learns about the local ecosystem, indigenous plants, and wildlife. It's not just a walk, it's an experience that deepens one's appreciation for the natural world. Now that we understand what a bushwalk entails, let's see how to use it conversationally. Planning an outing. Do you want to go on a bushwalk this weekend? Sharing experiences. I went on the most amazing bushwalk yesterday. Providing advice. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes if you're going on a bushwalk. Notice that the phrase is flexible and can be used in various contexts, from inviting someone to an activity to describing past experiences. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, bushwalk, and has maybe even inspired you to explore the great outdoors. Remember, a bushwalk is more than just a walk, it's an adventure into the heart of nature. Thanks for watching, and we hope this lesson adds a breath of fresh air to your English language journey. Happy walking and happy learning!